I really can't get over how good this thing looks. Like, the hood makes a huge difference. God damn. John is a mirror right now. Y'all can see yourselves. You know what we about to do. Alright, YouTube, so we about to throw on the carbon fiber hood. This isn't gonna be like a tutorial, but I'm gonna show you guys me putting it on, of course, because you know that's what we do here. We document every mod. So let's get this started. This video shouldn't be too long. Got to take this bolt, this out, and then transfer this over, and we have to do our windshield wiper fluid line, transfer that over, and the heat shield, I guess. So actually no, the shield doesn't go on because the vents are there, I believe. Yeah, the vents are like right where the shield would be. We're not gonna do that. He's revving his car in the background. Y'all can ignore him, but I'm about to go ahead and get started. Okay, so he's done being ignorant, I guess, with the stupid ass fucking BQ. But you want to get 12 or whatever. I said this wasn't a tutorial and I'm explaining this shit. But take out the, I can't record both of these. It's a 12mm to take out the fucking strut bolts. And then it just literally comes right off. So that one's done, then that one's done. Then we have to undo the line for the wiper fluid, and then the hood will be off. Alright, as y'all can clearly see, the hood is off. Was some clips that you got to remove for the wiper fluid line. Mine just so happened to break, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And then like 2 12s or whatever for both the hinges for the hood, and then the hood comes off. So about to put the carbon one on.
My license wasn't suspended though.
I'm almost a clout lord like y'all.
Like you?
Like y'all.
Got white in there first. Put some weight.
Hold on, y'all gotta wait. Y'all gotta wait.
You won't hear it.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Click. It ain't click. There you go. It clicked there. It's a little tiny click.
This shit is, yo.
It's ghetto.
A little. It's scary. Cause you're not supposed to put a whole bunch of weight on this shit.
I don't think it's supposed to be down like that. It should be flush.
This car is,
bro, aftermarket, any type of
yeah,
hood,
especially custom pieces, cause
it's not gonna fit how the normal hood would.
This shit is wet.
Now
my grill, the fucking plastic dip shit's peeling again.
You gotta redo it.
This is why I quit like car shit, bro. Look how good this shit looks, and my battery's about to die. Don't even matter. The video's over, bro. I gotta go somewhere else to get like cinematics.
You're
but welcome. For the camera died, this junk looks mean now. Oh my god, I'm about to go somewhere else to get like cinematics, but she looks mean. Mean. Yeah, she's mean. Oh yeah, we got the bumper fixed. The extensions, the fog light extensions are getting paint matched, so those will look way better. And I'm getting the part that sits like right here blacked out, so that should look perfect. And then we're gonna throw on the carbon fiber lip and she'll be done. And we need side skirts, some carbon side skirts. I have the carbon fiber spats, and I'm looking for a diffuser still. And I have the carbon fiber trunk. So I tried putting the trunk on. Let me find lighting. I tried putting the trunk on, but none of the stuff transferred over. None of the stuff fit. So there's no light in here. Hold up. Let it just. So I tried putting the carbon fiber trunk on, but none of the stuff transferred over, like the license plate lights or whatever, the tag lights in the rear, they didn't fit. The fucking tail light, the right side didn't fit. like none of the stuff fits. So I'm gonna have to get a whole bunch of that stuff like Dremeled out so it'll fit properly, and then the trunk can go on. But the hood is on and the trunk will be on soon. So let me go get these cinematics real quick and some final thoughts. All right, I just did my first pull with it off camera, and what I suspected, the hood popped open. It didn't like fly up and block my fucking vision or anything. The way I had to put this on, I removed the little rubber hood stoppers that are on each side. I'm probably gonna chop them down a little so it'll fit better, because it felt like that was stopping the hood from closing all the way. But you gotta really apply pressure on the hood to close it, and I think that's why most people run the hood pins when they get this hood, because it won't close all the way without it. So I just did a pull and it came open. I didn't even see at what mile per hour it came open at, and it didn't like fly up into the windshield or whatever. It just said like it opened. You could see it was raised a little, and you know how when any of the doors or the trunk or whatever is open, the car will tell you. So that's what just happened there. So I guess we're gonna have to run hood latches. I really don't want to, because I don't like how they, hood pins, I don't like how they look. Like, I like the clean look, but under normal driving it seems fine. It's not rattling or anything. So I'm gonna see what can be done about that. Maybe something needs to get extended or something like that, because I really don't want to use pins. So let me, hold on, let me talk to y'all. Look how she's sitting, y'all. Like, oh my god. Getting the fog light covers back next week. Those will be all paint matched, and then I'm thinking about throwing the carbon fiber lip back on, even though it's damaged. I just got to get it repaired. And we need side skirts and to fix the trunk. And I'm gonna tint the windshield. I'm probably gonna do like 30% on the windshield, just black it out so it'll flow way better with the roof wrap and now the hood too. But it busts. The gap in the fitment's pretty good too. The right side fits good. The left side is a little bit more of a gap, but honestly it's pretty good. And then to close this joint, you have to put a decent amount of pressure on the latch so it'll actually click on. I did a pull earlier and it said the hood open. It didn't like fly open or whatever, but it did say it opened. So guess I'm gonna have to get hood pins. Not gonna do any like crazy pulls until we get hood pins. I need to get my parking sensor thingies and get those paint matched. Same thing with the tow hook thing. Those are getting painted. He has that getting painted, so the tow hook cover is getting painted. But she looks good. The wheels look good. I have the black caps. Let me know if you guys like the red caps. I have black caps too. I think I'm gonna throw them on. They're also flat, so they don't come out raised how these are. Like, these are raised and they kind of mess with the offset of the wheel. They don't look as deep as they actually are. But I have some flat black ones, so it'll basically sit like level with this part of the wheel instead of coming out to meet the spokes almost. So it'll make the wheel look deeper. I'm thinking about throwing those on because I'm eventually going to do brake upgrade, and I think I'm going to do the calipers yellow. I'm gonna do it like a reflective yellow. I'll show you guys what I mean. I think it'll look good. The yellow, it won't be too bright, but it'll contrast the black, red, and carbon we have going on the car, and I think it'll look good. So she looks good. Got to get her retinted, redo the chrome delete diffuser, but overall she looks good. I knew the carbon fiber hood was gonna make her like look way more aggressive, but I didn't think it would make that much of a difference. Like, it looks really good. Let me turn the straighten the wheel real quick. I need an alignment bad, but like from the side, yo, oh my god, looks way more aggressive. Way more aggressive. She looks good. Like, she looks really good right here. I gotta take a picture. Hold up. I really can't get over how good this thing looks. Like, the hood makes a huge difference. This is officially like my YouTube spot, so I'm gonna record a lot here. Y'all are gonna end up like continually seeing the car here because look at how good she looks. Oh my god. But this is the YouTube spot. They're probably gonna get tired of me being here, but I like how it came out. Yeah, We're at 1,000, almost 1,100 subs already. Y'all are the best. This is probably gonna be the end of the video. I'll leave a link to this hood because I got it from TH Motorsports for $800. That was the cheapest I could find it. And it was supposed to take like 3 months. It wasn't even supposed to be here. It got here early. So I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description if I can find the link, if you guys want to purchase it. I don't know how many they had in stock, so I would call or email them before you try and purchase, just to make sure they have it in stock before you go ahead and do try and buy it. And when you install, you're gonna have to push down on the carbon hood a little to get it to latch correctly, unless you're running hood latches. I really don't want to because I like the clean look of just the whole carbon piece. I don't want latches, but I guess I'm gonna have to. I've seen most people have the latches anyway, and that was why. I know my boy Polo, y'all know him, Football Ton IS350. On his, he doesn't use the latches. He doesn't have latches. But I think the same thing that happened to me when I did my pool happens to him, so I don't know. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And anyone else who might be running this hood, send me a link to the hatches. The hatches, what the fuck? Send me, you know what I'm talking about. Send me a link to the hood pins y'all bought so I can go ahead and purchase those and get them on the car. I think she looks good. What y'all think? You know, give her a 1 to 10 rating in the comments. And this is it for the video. I will see y'all in the next video. Hopefully the trunk will be going on. I need to get that figured out, but hopefully that'll be next.